Here at Apache Camping Center, we have been carrying adventure campers for a very long time. These campers have produced a variety of different levels of campers. Now with their Scout camper and reintroducing the Eagle Cap, they span the gamut between extreme lightweight and the massive Eagle Cap 1165. The 80RB is one of their most popular models, hitting a lot of the different features that you would want in a camper in a smaller package. This can fit on a 5.5 foot bed all the way up to an 8 foot bed, keeping your tailgate on and giving you enough amenities to feel really comfortable anywhere you want to take it. Let's take a look inside the 80RB from Adventurer. So Adventurer builds their campers a little bit differently. They use their TCC, or their proprietary true composite construction that makes there no wood in the walls whatsoever. If you're familiar with Asdel, which was one of the first constructions of this type, they stripped out any of the wood backing that they have on this laminated fiberglass and put in a composite, which actually gives you upwards of an R16 insulation value. Speaking of insulation, this is full 4-season capable, giving you plenty of versatility to go out into the mountains or into the desert and stay cool or hot for when you need it. They have all of their tanks and dump stations hooked up inside, so you don't have any of the levers or gates that are exposed to be able to be frozen. This is their newer Overland edition, which gives you 400 watts of solar standard, synthetic leather couch, as well as an Alpine portable speaker, which gives you both entertainment as well as comfort and boondocking capabilities. This is run on a Happy Jack system for all 4 jacks that are remote controlled. On the side here, you'll have your shower, outdoor, hot and cold tap. Inside, you do have your storage station for a power cord and a 1 battery compartment. This does have 15 gallons of fresh, 6 gallons of gray, and 6 gallons of black for you to go camping for the long term. As you can see here, this big ladder on the side or on the back is going to get you up into that fully walkable roof, and that is a TPO roof that is different from a rubber roof, as it's much more durable, as well as one giant sheet, and it is UV resistant. So if you're out in Arizona or those sunnier areas, you know how harsh UV radiation can be on your camper, and so that TPO roof really helps to mitigate that. Let's jump inside the 80RB and see why this is such an amenity-packed, super rich camper that can get you out and camping on a variety of different trucks. So for opening the door right here, we're gonna see the bathroom right on the side, and in this 8 and some change foot floor, you're getting a ton of different things like a shower and bath. Now this one is going to be a fully molded fiberglass shower base pan, as well as a nice toilet on there and shower for you. And I'll jump in there and show you what that looks like. So I'm sitting on the toilet here. I got plenty of knee room. I can shower like this, but you are gonna be showering and sitting at the same time. Whether you like it or not, it is some of the compromise that you get in a smaller camper, but for the versatility that you get with this camper, I think it might be worth it. Right now we've flipped around to the other side. This is going to be a full rollover couch. So this does turn into a sleeping station, but if you do wanna work or put cards or eat, this is a great little table to be able to do it on. I can pop this off, show you what this looks like folded over and in bed mode. So this is as simple as just rolling it over. This is that nicer synthetic leather. The other, if you don't get the Overlander edition, is gonna be more of a cloth. It's as simple as that. Now you've got a bed. You can jump on here. Let me jump on the other way. So you can see, I'm gonna be a little bit kitty corner. On this bed, I'm 6'5", but I'd have enough room, even though my legs are hanging off, to be able to sleep fairly comfortably. To put it back, pretty simple. You just roll it over just like you did to get it up, and you're back in action. So right here is the kitchen area. It actually is a ton of room to work. There's a big workspace in between the sink and the stovetop. It is a 2-burner stovetop, as well as you have a range hood overhead. Now above that, on the cabinetry here, you'll have your solar controller, as well as your tank checks and battery checks. And then you have tons of storage up top for anything that you might bring food-wise. You have a big window right here, which is pull up for a blackout and pull down for a bug screen. So you can get a lot of airflow coming through here if you need it. The sink is going to be one big basin. It's a little bit smaller, but definitely usable. Now you can see up top is this AC unit. This is an option. You don't have to order it with an AC unit. For me, being 6'5", I can stand up in here with about an inch to spare, except for the AC. This is where I get to hit my head. The kitchen is right here, so I'm gonna be kind of brushing up against it. So if you are taller, it is a comfortable camper, but you will have an issue with that AC over time. You do have your fridge, which is going to be a two-way fridge here. Notice that there's a tab up top. If you're at an RV show, push up on the tab, pull out on the door, and you're gonna open it without breaking it. Underneath that, you have your propane heater unit, and then you've got your bed area. So hopping up, pretty easy. You just have to keep in mind that it is gonna be a little bit lower of a ceiling height coming into the nose cap. This is a full queen in here. It's not an RV queen, it is a full queen. I believe it's a 60 by 80, so you have plenty of space to spread out. If you're going you or as a couple or with a kid, you've got plenty of room. And then a nice platform on either side, and then good breezeway going through if you want that, with these two big windows on either side. You have a vent fan up top to keep that air moving through, and this is a fantastic camper. Adventure has been making campers for quite some time, and this is one of their staples. The 80RB is a fantastic truck camper coming in at just over 1,700 pounds that opens up a variety of different vehicles. Because it does not have the overhang on the back, you can keep your tailgate on, you can put it on a 5'5" bed all the way up to an 8-foot bed and have no issues. Now, if you're interested in this model or any other Adventurer model, feel free to check the link below. The pricing and availability for this particular model is linked down below. And if you liked, feel free to subscribe, share, and like this video, because we would love to see you in the next one.